But let me tell you also one thing you may not be happy. I thought today, as you are receiving me, I'll be received with my deputy governor. Because no one man, no one person can do it alone. You have had a deputy governor before from here? Yes. Whether under military or whatever. You've had people in office who have made promises to you, and the promises have not been kept. But you have had one deputy governor for the first time, a woman, who is working with me, and all the promises I've made to you is being fulfilled. So I thought, as you're honoring me, as you're receiving me, so also my deputy governor should be honored and received. Because, I tell you, in this work we are doing, there are those who are not noisemakers. There are those who are quiet people, but will put in their words to the governor, and the governor will listen to them. She's been everything as far as government is concerned, and she's somebody with experience, and I think you should honor her because she has done people very well too.
Anybody when not there River State to you, make you come see you.
So all I have done and will do for you people is also because she will be a very loyal deputy governor, a very submissive deputy governor, not an ambitious deputy governor.
Yes, so we can
So, but I want to believe that because governorship is one, government house is one, this honor you are giving to me also includes her. Maybe in your time you would dress her in your own traditional way. You know, people will have your own way of you are doing your own women. Maybe don't want to do it with me as a man. Maybe I suspect that. But I think that you have also honored that here.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.